Well, some breaking news that's coming in. 18 more people have tested positive for COVID at the Chennai IIT campus. So the total number of cases from there alone rises to 78. Health Secretary Radhakrishnan visited the campus for the 5th time to take an assessment of the entire situation. So 18 more cases. This is a COVID cluster that IIT Madras seems to have become at this point in time. Dharani joining us for more details here. Dharani, the numbers coming in from IIT Madras seems to only be rising. It has become a COVID cluster. What is being done? What measures are being taken now?
In fact, the Health Secretary has already called it a cluster. So in a fresh development, 18 more persons have tested positive for COVID at Chennai IIT campus, and this takes the total number of students have tested positive to 78 at present. So as we are reporting, 18 more persons have tested positive for COVID at Chennai IIT campus, and this take the total to 78. As Health Secretary Radhakrishnan, he visited the campus for the 5th time, and he instructed the IIT management to step up the preventive measures. So he has already visited the campus 4 times, and he has been insisting the campus to step up the preventive measures. He has told that students should not be seen without wearing a mask, and sanitizers should be placed in all the places, and he has also told that the hostel blocks should be sanitized, because most of these 78 cases that were reported, it's among hostel students, and IIT has various hostel blocks inside the campus. So Health Secretary has advised the IIT management to sanitize the hostel blocks, and steps are also being taken to vaccinate the hostel students who are yet to be vaccinated. So there are some, even though most of the students are double vaccinated, there are some students who are yet to take their second dose, and they're also seeing the possibility of putting a booster dose for 18 plus students who are eligible. So on the side of the health department, they're taking all the necessary measures to curb the spread. But however, as we see, the spread doesn't seem to reduce. It's getting increased day by day. Yesterday, 5 more students tested positive, and the total stood at 60. And now we are seeing that 18 more students have tested positive, and that has taken the total to 78. So meanwhile, today morning, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M K Stalin, he held a meeting with senior health department officials, including Health Minister Subramanian and district collectors, where he reiterated that masks should be worn by everybody in Tamil Nadu, and he has told that vaccines are life saviors, and he has told that the Tamil Nadu people, they should be vaccinated as much as possible. At present, 40 lakh people, they haven't even taken their first dose of vaccination, and around 1.4 crore people are yet to take their second dose of vaccination. And the health ministry, they have been advising people to come and vaccinate. So on May 8th, the Tamil Nadu health ministry, they're actually conducting a mega vaccination drive at 1 lakh centers where people can come and get vaccinated anytime, 24/7. So meanwhile, today evening, we are expecting some kind of announcements from the Tamil Nadu government as far as the COVID restrictions are concerned. Already, people who are not wearing masks in public places, they are being fined 500 rupees by the respective corporations. And today evening, post meeting with the health department officials, the chief minister is expected to make some announcements as far as restrictions are concerned. And now this 18 persons that who have tested positive from IIT, this will also be a talking point as far as the discussions are concerned. And today evening we will await we're awaiting for the announcement, and we'll report on it.
All right, Dharani, thank you so much for getting us those details.